In this exciting video, we'll take you on a unique time-traveling journey as we restore an old Japanese cast iron grill that has turned into a rusty, grimy piece over the years. This grill isn't just a cooking tool, it's a work of art that carries the essence of the past. I've been searching for one of these grills for a long time because of its practical beauty, especially when preparing small amounts of food. And today we'll bring back its shine. First, we face the challenge of loosening the corroded bolts. It might seem simple, but here's the surprise. The bolts won't be as easy as we thought. There's a magical solution to fix this. But as you can see, it didn't work. And now it's time for some power and fire. Yes, fire is the perfect solution to loosen these stubborn bolts. Next, we carefully use a hammer to separate the tightly stuck parts. And now we move on to the most exciting stage, removing the accumulated rust using sandblasting. we can see the grill coming back to life. After finishing the full cleaning of the parts, we move on to working on the handle. Using wood, we'll craft a new handle for the top of the grill. It's a simple task that adds a beautiful and practical touch to the grill. Begin by jamming down all the parts and smoothing them out. Then we move on to the step of oiling the parts to preserve the cast iron. Next, we place all the parts in the oven for 30 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius, 482 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure optimal protection. Once everything is complete, we return to assemble all the parts together. Once everything is complete, we return to assemble all the parts together. The crucial moment. Let's see if the grill is ready to go back into service. But the big surprise, we'll test it right away. Will the grill pass this test? Stay tuned until the end to find out the result. The work done here not only brings this old grill back to life, but also preserves its historical value, making it look as good as new. Thank you for documenting this challenging and inspiring journey. The result is outstanding, reflecting the level of skill and patience in every step. Enjoy cooking that steak and savor every moment with this beautifully restored masterpiece.